Most self-employed people get rejected by cash advance apps for one simple reason. Their income doesn't look predictable enough to traditional financial systems. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In 2026, several apps are becoming much better at understanding freelance, contract, and business income. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for self-employed workers, which apps actually work with inconsistent income, and the mistakes freelancers should avoid before borrowing money. Let's start with the biggest challenge first. Traditional lenders love stable paychecks. But self-employed income often changes every month. One month might be amazing. The next could be slow. That inconsistency makes many apps cautious. That's why choosing the right platform matters so much. One of the strongest options in 2026 is Empower. Many freelancers like it because approval is based heavily on bank account activity, instead of traditional employment verification. So if Alex runs a freelance design business and receives regular client payments into the same account, Empower may still approve advances even without a standard salary. But here's the problem. Most people expect large borrowing limits immediately. That rarely happens. Most apps start with smaller advances while they evaluate your income patterns and repayment behavior over time. Another strong option is MoneyLion. Self-employed users often like it because eligible accounts can unlock higher advance limits gradually. For example, Jake runs an online marketing business and receives steady deposits from clients every week. That consistency may help increase his available borrowing limit over time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Apps designed specifically for gig workers and freelancers are becoming more popular. Platforms like Grid and Giggle Finance focus more on flexible income instead of traditional employment structures. And for self-employed workers, that flexibility can make a huge difference. This is where most people fail. They use cash advances to cover long-term financial problems instead of short-term business emergencies. For example, using an advance to repair your work laptop or cover temporary cash flow gaps may help your business continue operating. But constantly borrowing for everyday spending can quickly create repayment pressure. And there's another hidden issue many users ignore. Instant transfer fees. Paying extra for faster access over and over can quietly reduce your profits month after month. Those small convenience fees add up faster than most freelancers realize. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest strategy experienced self-employed workers use. The best approach is treating cash advance apps as temporary backup tools, not permanent income replacements. Use them strategically during short-term gaps while focusing on building stronger cash reserves over time. Now let's talk about approvals. Most apps look closely at recurring deposits, account stability, repayment history, and overall banking behavior. Consistent client payments matter more than having a traditional employer. And here's something many freelancers overlook completely. Mixing personal and business finances can sometimes confuse financial apps and reduce approval consistency. So which cash advance apps are best for self-employed workers in 2026? If you want easier approvals with flexible income, Empower is one of the strongest choices. If you want potentially larger limits and extra financial tools, MoneyLion stands out. And if your income comes mainly from freelance or gig work, gig-focused platforms may fit your needs even better. The key is choosing an app that understands how self-employed income actually works. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite cash advance app for freelancers. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best no credit check cash advance apps in 2026.